Hi guys, I'm Rich. Let's go through my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1. US CPI data. US inflation is released Thursday. It remains high but continues to trend lower after seemingly peaking in July at 8.7% year over year. Expectations are for a decline below the 7.1% registered in November. The effect of the weaker US inflation has been a decline in the US dollar over the past several weeks. Euro US dollar and Great British Pound US dollar both bottomed late in November. A retest of these lows is less likely while US inflation continues to decline. Number 2. Fed Chair Powell speaks. Powell is due to participate in a panel discussion about central bank independence and its mandate at a symposium hosted by Riksbank in Stockholm, Sweden on Tuesday. Although Powell has faced political pressure in the US to tackle inflation, he is unlikely to reference it. So markets will likely be more interested in any comments he makes about the future path of interest rates. Number 3. Eurozone unemployment. There is a rising belief that Europe will fall into a recession this year, ultimately leading to higher unemployment. These recession fears have weighed on stock indices, though benchmarks in Germany and the UK have held up better than in the US. In November, the unemployment rate is expected to hold steady at 6.5%. Number 4. China inflation. The Chinese yuan as well as Chinese stocks have gained ground in the last month since authorities in Beijing dropped the zero-COVID policy. Unlike the rest of the world, inflation in China is subdued. In November, CPI was 1.6% year over year, while PPI was in negative territory at 11.3%. Number 5. UK monthly GDP. The Office for National Statistics releases UK monthly GDP data for November on Friday. It comes on the heels of a better than expected 0.5% monthly gain in October. Another good result could support the British pound US dollar, which gained throughout the third quarter, largely because of weakness in the dollar. You can of course click on the link in the description just below to see the full economic calendar with the previous month's data and the consensus expectation for this time. But for now, thanks everyone. Good luck trading this week, and remember to give a quick smash of that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.